Lana Thauram, Taibang Mapukta, Ekogi Irakta Tinzaramba, Nongmai Them Boni Sana Nongdon Amadi, Miyamgina Athobo Wahengbam, Sarat Kumar Captain Sopai Bamaitay Anina, Taibang Mapugi Punsi Sengjel Luireduna, Hoki Bachat October Kunhumdo Lisani Supna Kunmari Kumza, Mera Thagi Kunithoni Chanba Yumsakaisa Korauda, Mapuna Thaba Sing Suraduna, Makogi Yabi, Tawaina Mapugi Lekonda, Lairang Lenam Oina Tinzakre, Sachat October Kuntaret Lisani Supna Kunmari Kumza, Meragi Kuntarukni Chanba, Nongmaijin Korauda, Mangani Lehuntam Zaraga, Lakliba Chaichat November Ani Lisangani Supna Kunmari Kumza, Yangai gi Noma Chanba Thangza Korauda, Lekidaba Makoi Ani gi Poknafam Singda, Lana Thauram Pangthok Saragani, Numit Asida Lekidaba Makoi Ani gi Yaibi Tawaina Mapugi Lekonda, Ingna Chikna Lezaruna Bagidama, Ngamzaba Hairang Lerang Zaduna, Taibang Pan Mapugi Minkaiga Loinana, Tengbang Mapugi Kuyaka da Kachagadori, Lekidaba Ani gi Poknafam Lamdamda Pangthok Kadaba Thauram Sing Asida, Ahallaman Ipa Ipal Ima Iben Iche Ichal Maruk Mapiza Amadi, Inglingai Matamda Sakang Maikang Nazaramba, Kwai Kibikna Matam Sana Lengbirakuna, Mapugi Mikhairul Tabiranaba Pauzanzari. Punimzari Basing, Wahengmam Ongbi Jina Laima Loinabi, Wahengmam Deb Sing Maitai, Apokpa, Wahengmam Ongbi Memsa Debi Apokpi, Hiangnam Awang Laikai. Noluksari Basing, Nongmai Them Razu Maitai Mapa, Nongmai Them Ongbi Sangita Laima Mama, Wakai Asangmam Laikai, Imphal East.
Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Hemapti Kumbantabo. First, the headlines. Manipur Police arrests 8 members of Pambai-led UNLF along with sophisticated arms and ammunition. BJP-led government makes significant progress in Tamenglong, transforming it from underdeveloped district through development projects, asserts Chief Minister N. Biren. And Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan emphasizes need for comprehensive research on medicinal properties of various herbs used in early days to advance herbal medicines. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform, SKTV in Manipur, that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Manipur Police has arrested 8 members of Pambai-led UNLF along with sophisticated weapons. According to police, they were allegedly involved in illegal activities and in restraining legal land demarcation process at Thobal district. The arrested persons are Laishram Atangba alias Ningthojao, age 24, Laishangthim Nungpuk Maitay alias Singhajit, age 26, Thongam Khangakpa Maitay alias Jatra, age 45, Thiam Ningtho Maitay alias Ingocha, age 46, Akoijam Thopangba Maitay alias Thoiba, age 24, Thongnaujam Suknung Ngakpa alias Yaifaba Maitay, age 26, Ngasipam Nungthoba Maitay alias Romeo, aged 40, and Sorokaibam Nganba alias Dayananda, aged 27. Police also seized 3 AK-47 rifles, 2 AK-56 rifles, 1 M16 rifle, 1 9mm pistol, 147 live-round ammunitions of AK-47, 20 live-round ammunitions of M16, 25 live-round ammunitions of 9mm, 16 mobile handsets, and 1 Fortuner SUV without registration. In another incident, Manipur Police has also arrested a member of Prescribed Pla from Kashamthong Toplairak, Imphal West. The arrested person is Moirangthim Maniton, age 29, and he was reportedly engaged in extortion activities from shops in Imphal areas. Chief Minister N. Biren says Tamenglong district, once among most underdeveloped districts of Manipur, is rising as a beacon of growth and opportunity under BJP NDA government. Taking to his X account, Chief Minister N. Biren shared some of the development projects undertaken in the Tamenglong district. Chief Minister shared pictures of some of the completed projects in Tamenglong, which include the district court building, FCI godown, 50-bedded ward at district hospital, Tamenglong water supply scheme under NLCPR, natural football ground, National Highway 137, Kongsang Tamenglong stretch, cold storage, 133 by 32 kV substation project, Chief Minister N. Brain also mentioned in his post about the 7A side synthetic football turf, which is yet to be inaugurated, and ongoing construction of Tamenglong Mahur and Imphal Kangchup Tamenglong roads, science block at Tamenglong College, and the ongoing construction of Convention Hall project. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan has emphasized on the need to carry out thorough studies on medicinal plants and herbs which our forefathers used to extract since ancient days. Dr. Sapam Ranjan was speaking on the occasion of 9th Ayurveda Day, which was organized by National Ayush Mission, Manipur at Hotel Classic Grande in Chingmairong today. Speaking further, Minister Sapam Ranjan said, government is ready to support any efforts that aim to study medicinal plants and herbs that are existing in the state since ancient times. They also urged researchers to incorporate modern technologies such as artificial technology in studying these medicinal plants and plant-based medicines. Special Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Hyungyo Warshang, Director of Ayush Manipur, Dr. Akujam Lokendro, State Ayush Officer Dr. S. Vishwanath Sharma, along with other eminent persons, attended the program.
Manipur medicinal plants. We are not exploring as much as how we should be doing. Jaga kharada dia koina changala ubo udriba mana to thaini ahanjin sopa ganda so nei raga dum I thokum da hapa suma mayam se. We need to study more on this. Sigi study the work that if we need a scientific approach atopa scientific labs lady through the agricultural from the oigera natraga IBSD adom the is to hasna toraga kana gani khale because we need to promote what ama peroxide segna hare di yamna important longer on the BI but the medicinal value and the tense of those the yawi but yamna kana ba ponina we need to promote manam the isagi pots isana promote to already mayamna recognized to you.
Minister Awangbo Nyumai has extended wishes to Liangmai community on the occasion of Chagangi 2024, which celebrated annually on October 30. In his message, it is noted that the Chagangi 2024 festival is the biggest and important festival of harvest season. He wished for unity among the community, ensuring that the next harvest is not just plentiful in crops but also rich in peace and unity for all. As part of the International Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Department of Physics of Wycombe Mani Girls College, in collaboration with Department of Radiation Oncology, RIMS Imphal, organized an awareness program at Wycombe Mani Girls College Seminar Hall today. Associate Professor of Department of Radiation Oncology, RIMS, Dr. L. Purnima, and Senior Resident Dr. A. Ronibala attended the event as resource person. Nodal Officer of Breast Cancer Awareness Program of Department of Radiation Oncology, RIMS, Dr. B. Arun Kumar, elucidated about the types of cancers that are commonly detected in female.
Cancer haibase akoi khangmina bayam darkar lei masi khangok dab taragadi cancer sina atum control tawigani khangorabadi atum control tawu namdari cancer makhal se more than 200 lei cancer khwai hena na ai leba si khwai sapatba American mana population 1:4 mi mari pudi amon ma hu sang aduga India ni 1:12 paradagi bijina 1:8 mukyaw le hena report akoi phangje yaina koi so ni mamada cancer mi amana chance masih yang harus pembiayaan mereka kali-kali itu hanya main causes sih aku ini diet, time ini apa mana mesti sahur ini untuk dokter fast food dan untuk apa lifestyle baru mulai obesity lah dan creative kan juga apa ada cancer pun di masa yang lain.
Now before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Mobile furniture na lagliba wedding season asigi anau ba contemporary wedding set furniture sing puduna lakchari loina na Manipur ihan han ba oina wedding set laibi ba matamda 24 carat ki 5 gram ki gold coin free gift oina bizari mayam lengsin biraktuna mobile furniture ki 3rd edition the great wedding sales gold offer asi pre booking to biduna khudong chaba silobi ho
offer asi akupa information khambina ba idamakta sangai porokda laiba mobile furniture la lengsin biro.
Welcome back, more news and updates. With the arrival of winters, various bird species are flocking to lakes forests of Manipur. And with the aim to protect these birds, Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee (WBCC) Manipur, in association with Forest Department, has intensified its wildlife protection drive. WBCC has also appealed the people of the state to join the protection efforts and to avoid hunting these birds. The committee has also urged people to report any hunting activities of birds at lakes, forests in the state. A two-day-long literary cum cultural meet 2024 for Oinam Government Higher Secondary School kicks off today. Speaking in the program, principal of the school, Beach Gupta Laishram, stressed on the importance of co-curricular activities and urged the students to compete with enthusiasm and zeal. Former principals S. Sanatumba, Nalini Devi, Vice Principal I. Sujeta Devi and Senior Graduate Teacher S. Indira Devi attended the opening day program. The banned outfit Kangleipa Communist Party KCP MLF has refuted the claim made by Special Commando Unit of Manipur Police that they had arrested a KCP member in connection with extortion. According to a press release issued by Information and Publicity Secretary in charge of the outfit, S. Mangal, on October 26, the police has claimed an individual identified as Huidrom Prabhash, alias Nonil, 23, son of Huidrom Gojao of Sekmaijin Mamangleikai, was nabbed in connection with extortion from Naran Konju's shops in Imphal West. It further stated that the arrested individual is not related with the outfit. 19-year-old Ningombam Jairaj has made waves on the international modeling stage, earning the title of supermodel at the prestigious Mr. Cosmopolitan 2024 pageant held recently in Korat, Thailand. Jairaj, representing India, captivated the audience and judges with his charm, confidence and exceptional poise, setting a new milestone for young talent in the modeling world. Jairaj, the son of senior journalist Sanajauba Ningombam and N. Pechwari, is currently pursuing his bachelor's in business administration at Dhanamanjari University. His journey in modeling began last year and his passion for the industry has been evident. In 2023, he clinched the title of Mr. Cosmopolitan India in an event organized by Global Model India, which served as a springboard for his entry into the global arena. With this win in Thailand, Jairaj has brought pride to India, especially his home state of Manipur. His achievement is seen as an inspiration to aspiring models in the region, highlighting the potential for young talent from the Northeast to shine internationally. The pageant organizers noted his excellent runway skills, his professionalism during interviews, and his ability to connect with audiences, qualities that distinguished him in a competitive field. Jairaj's success at Mr. Cosmopolitan 2024 reflects the growing representation of Indian talent in the global fashion industry and marks a promising beginning for this emerging star. And now in the national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched an extension of the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana ABPMJAY, offering health insurance coverage of ₹5 lakh annually to every Indian citizen aged 70 and above, irrespective of income or socio-economic background. The announcement aligns with the celebration of Dhanvantari Jayanti and the 9th Ayurveda Day. The expanded Ayushman Bharat scheme, which now encompasses universal healthcare coverage for senior citizens, was a key promise in the government's agenda, fulfilling Modi's earlier commitment to ensure accessible healthcare for India's elderly population. Speaking at the launch, the Prime Minister expressed satisfaction with the scheme's expansion, noting that this move was eagerly anticipated by the nation's seniors. According to a statement by the Prime Minister's office, the health coverage will be facilitated through an Ayushman Vaya Vandana card. The card enables cashless treatment across a wide network of hospitals under the ABPMJAY, easing the burden of medical expenses for elderly citizens and providing peace of mind to their families. And now in the weather news. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphel state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 94% in the morning and 50% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Police arrest 8 members of Bombay-led UNLF along with sophisticated arms and ammunition. BJP-led government made significant progress in Tamenglong, transforming it from underdeveloped district through development projects, asserts Chief Minister and Bharat. And Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan emphasizes need for comprehensive research on medicinal properties of various herbs used in early days to advance herbal medicines. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyc.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download will also be pinned in all our comments section. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews and comprehensive analysis of current affairs in Manipur. Have a good day.